You see, Dr. Vendran, some children are not having interest in a particular subject. What to do? What to do? Very, very relevant question. I tell you, till about class 10, underline that. We mean the NCERTs and CBSEs, and we have kept the syllabus in such a way, every child, even if he's normal average or he is what we call little slow learner also, can do fine in all the subjects. Why I say till class 10? Beyond class 10, the story will change, because after 14, 15 years, and your ICSE schools, even in class 9, the story will change, because it will start depending on something else, what is called aptitudes also. Are you getting it? Till about class 10, 8, 9, aptitudes may not come into the picture. But beyond class 10, aptitudes will play a role. So at least if the aptitudes have not, because many schools, I don't know, I'm so sad to notice that many schools, even in today's time, just give subjects to children only on the basis of class 10 or whatever, class marks. And I have seen children in schools, I don't know, if I'm talking about other schools, forgive me. Those who are getting maximum good marks, late science. Less than that, okay, commerce with maths. Less than that, commerce without maths. Less than that, humanities. Which means the children who are taking humanities are gaye gujare bache. What a nonsense. What are you talking about? See, there is something called aptitudes. Aptitudes, there are something called interests. We recommend generally there should be a proper procedure in higher classes giving subjects, not like, at random looking at marks. Anyway, so I'm now talking about till class 10, a child may start hating a subject because of many reasons. One reason could be once he scored poor marks, because of XYZ reasons. So the teacher's method, teacher's technique is simple. Many teachers must be already doing. Teach that subject, take a small portion, 1 or 2 chapters, teach the child thoroughly, ask him to prepare, do a test. The child performs once and he gets good marks, motivation starts coming. Are you getting a simple technique? Because success motivates the maximum. Success motivates the maximum. But beyond class 10 and all, 11th and 12th, many a time if the child doesn't have an aptitude, the child will not perform well. You will have to be selective and somehow clear class 12th. Now,